My name is Dr. Anh Lee. I'm a double board certified plastic surgeon and microsurgeon here in El Paso, Texas. I trained at Louisiana State University in New Orleans, where it was a big trauma hospital, lots of, difficult cases would present to the hospital. So my background is a lot of reconstructive surgery. I went into plastic surgery, number one, because I love surgery and I love helping people. Plastic surgery appealed to me because there's not one way to do a particular surgery. I trained in New Orleans, and the DIEP procedure was actually invented there. My mentors, trained me to do the procedure, and that's how, I got interested in doing the procedure. Well, actually, I was recruited here to do the DIEP flaps because nobody else was doing it. I knew that there was a big population of breast cancer patients here, and that this was missing. That, other plastic surgeons were doing different types of reconstruction, but there were also patients that were leaving the city, going to Dallas, MD Anderson in Houston, to have this procedure done. And so I thought, if I could come here, I could keep these breast cancer patients in El Paso where they belong, with their family, because who wants to have that diagnosis and then leave town and meet a new set of doctors, so I thought it would be a good thing to bring this here to El Paso. The DIEP can last anywhere from 8 to 10 hours when you're reconstructing two breasts. It's very challenging, very tedious. You're talking about dissecting out just the skin and fat from the abdomen. Usually this is a tissue that's discarded during a tummy tuck, but instead I dissect out the blood vessels that are going into the skin and fat, which can be hair thin. You have to love what you're doing to do it, or else you're not going to, and that's why I'm really the only microsurgeon here that does this procedure. The benefits are that it's your own tissue. The patient doesn't have to worry about having, implants replaced 10 to 15 years. This procedure appeals to many patients because, number one, they're going to have their own tissue. Number two, and it's really a body makeover because they're going to get rid of that skin and fat from the abdomen, so in essence a tummy tuck, and then using that tissue to create natural feeling looking breasts. For more information, please visit www.drannlee.com. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Please share your before and after photos and hashtag Dr. Anh Lee. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel.